Monetizing a combination of OpenAI, Canva, and YouTube while you sleep requires a strategic approach and a mix of active and passive income streams. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this goal. Content niche selection. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and the content you can generate using Canva and OpenAI. This will ensure that your content is engaging and valuable to your target audience. YouTube channel setup. Create a YouTube channel dedicated to your chosen niche. Optimize your channel by designing an attractive banner and logo using Canva. Craft a compelling channel description that clearly explains what viewers can expect from your content. Content creation. Use OpenAI to generate ideas, outlines, and even draft scripts for your YouTube videos. This can significantly speed up your content creation process. However, remember that AI-generated content might require some human touch to make it more personalized and engaging. Video production. Record or produce your YouTube videos based on the scripts and ideas you've generated. Use video editing software to enhance the quality of your videos. Incorporate visuals created with Canva, such as custom graphics, titles, and thumbnails, to make your videos visually appealing. Consistent upload schedule. Consistency is key on YouTube. Schedule your videos to be uploaded at regular intervals, such as weekly or bi-weekly. This helps build anticipation among your viewers and encourages them to subscribe for more content. Monetization options. While you sleep, your YouTube channel can generate income through various monetization methods. Ad revenue. Enable YouTube ads on your videos to earn a share of the ad revenue generated when viewers watch or interact with ads displayed before or during your videos. YouTube Premium revenue. You can earn a portion of the subscription fee from YouTube Premium members who watch your content without ads. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche through affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions. OpenAI-generated content can also help in creating compelling product reviews and recommendations. Sponsorships and partnerships. As your channel grows, you might attract sponsorships or collaboration offers from brands in your niche. Engagement and community building. Encourage audience engagement by responding to comments on your videos.